paid to be there. Those are
Oh, hello guys, welcome to our channel. I just doing that.
The spouse or significant other of the victim says to the officer before the shooting, don't show our license plates or something to that effect.
This time,
change them every night. I don't know if she was
I will draw my eyes.
Changing their license plates every night, that takes a little forethought and a little help. You don't just get a bunch of license plates you can swap out every night.
And I think that I actually think that she was saying that it's not like we are changing. To your point, it's something that we have to drill down on and get the answers to as we move forward, covering the story. And are watching this to find out exactly what it is. So we're going to continue to follow this. Former Minnesota Republican Governor Tim Pawlenty. We really appreciate it. Hope you come back to continue this conversation. Thank you. And for more on this, let's welcome in Democratic Congresswoman Dina Titus.
I know it's that
Congresswoman,
big.
thank you very much for coming back on the program. We appreciate it.
Cause I can do it
What's your reaction to all of it and his reaction as well?
Well, I find the whole situation just terrible. It's kind of how you look at it determines how you see it, you know, that's your interpretation of the video. But one point that he did make very strongly and that I agree with is that we need the investigation. Just as you said, there's so much information out there, so much that needs to come out, and you need to have a thorough investigation before you make these outrageous statements that it's a paid agitator or it's totally justified. Or the person.
Okay.
When we talk about
Today's capture may slow the flow of narcotics into the U.S. Also, the U.S. is seizing, remember, millions of gallons of oil from Venezuela in order to help rebuild its infrastructure.
Right there. You can draw something beside.
Thank you so much.
I'm not gonna worry about that right now.
Look at storm damage from Lower Mississippi.
And heat distribution system. Of course, that's all as temperatures are as low as minus
Looks like
10
that.
Celsius
So I'm gonna
outside.
draw another one.
Ukraine's prime minister says the power situation.
This have been blushing with blood,
Davis is
and she tried to
as you can probably tell from these pictures, it's
but
height of winter here, but even by Ukrainian standards, this has been a very cold winter so far. With the wind chill, temperatures are expected to reach about minus 19, minus 18 degrees centigrade over the next few days, and it has been a very bitterly cold weekend. President Zelensky has accused Moscow of exploiting this bitter winter by targeting, in particular, some of those critical energy supplies in those big Russian sites, the ones we saw the night before last.
Draw it, but don't draw that
not just in Kiev, but across the country at things like
Are you ready?
electricity.
Okay, now I'm doing a body again.
This is radar picking up on radar, and you see
Okay.
that's a sign of debris on
Now,
HD. So this is a radar, was a radar confirmed tornado touchdown just before 11 o'clock this morning, right along Highway 5. There's Whitesburg. This is far south Carroll County, and this is the radar picking up on some debris that was lofted there. That's why we had that confirmed tornado warning. Everything was here with you, tracking every step of the way just after 11 o'clock this morning. Now, here are the changes since we spoke just a few minutes ago. The tornado watch has been cut down to just include Meriwether County now in our Channel 2.
Okay,
There's the
now
heavy
I'm
rain falling
doing
now from Warren
one.
Springs up to Greenville and Woodbury. Let's take a look at the velocity mode of Storm Tracker 2 HD. We look for green and red right next to each other. Not seeing that, so no signs of any rotation right now over Meriwether County, and it will be soon that storm risk will move out of Meriwether County. Let's say over the next 45 minutes. But right now, heavy rain moving toward Woodbury in about a minute, into Langdon in about 3 minutes, into Betts coming up in about 4 minutes. Farther to the north, heavy rain, occasionally strong wind gusts possible in this part of the line, moving through Henry County and Spalding County, also Lamar County, so just passing Griffin
but moving toward Pepperton in the next 10 minutes or so, into Woodfin Mill in about 11, Liberty Hill in about 11 minutes. The energy for storms a little lower in this part of the line, but they still could get gusty. So be watching that over the next couple of hours. Farther to the north, the air is a little more stable. The severe weather threats have come to an end. The rain hasn't, though, over Gwinnett County, North Fulton County, and Forsyth County. Several active flash flood warnings as well. Flooding has been a big story. Heavy rain has been a big story. Storm Tracker 2 HD estimating rainfall totals in many spots on the northwest side, 2 to 4 inches or more. So through the next couple of hours, severe weather threats diminishing, but still with us. We're going to be here in Severe Weather Center 2, watching this line as it moves out of the area in the next couple of hours. Still heavy rain continuing for some of us, and a low but not zero risk of damaging wind gusts. Possibility of a breeze spit-up tornado as well. But that risk, again, is slowly coming to an end now on the south side. But it's going to be a while before these clouds clear and the rain.
Okay. She got bleed in her shirt right here, and somebody do that to her.
Or so more of rain. Here's a look at the timeline. Around 9 o'clock, we'll have the cold front continue to push off to the south and east. It's going to slowly but surely make its way a little bit farther to the south. So along and ahead of it, we'll continue to have rain and storms with us. As we head into late in the afternoon and by early this evening, the front will have moved out of the area. Along the rain and thunderstorm activity will have come to an end. We'll keep the clouds around a little bit longer, but then our winds, they're going to be shifting, coming down from the
Now let's go get some
direction overnight tonight into Sunday morning. As a result, we are going to get some much drier, but
she got break heart left. Now she got 2 hearts left. Okay, like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. You need to copy that one. But bye.